Welcome, millionaires and billionaires. As always, I aim to bring you truth, knowledge, and understanding to assist you in your journey through crypto. So this video, guys, we're gonna look at the charts, and I'm gonna show you where the market is most likely to go, short term and long term, so you have an idea of what's about to happen. So right now, we are experiencing a correction on the 12-hour time frame. So we'll take a look at it, and we'll plug in some indicators and see where price should be before the next cycle and the next push up. So welcome new members, new subscribers. If you haven't heard of the project, the Ghost Ledger, it's a privacy crypto wallet that conceals your transactions and your content in your wallet, so no outside party can view your wallet, what's inside your wallet, but you, which is how finance should always be. So I recommend checking the Telegram out. It's it's one of the fastest growing Telegram channel so far, and the link is in the description below, as well as the website here, the Telegram, and follow the Twitter accounts where you get updated. So just a brief view. So the contract's coming soon. Soon you'll be able to check the charts and also an Etherscan as well. And one of the biggest thing is the partnerships with this project. This project is expected to do very well, especially considering it's launching at the beginning of the bull run. So these partnerships are key, not just key, but eventually people we would like to see come on board as far as endorsing the project, as well as working in partnership with those projects. So let's jump into the chart, guys, and I've plugged in here. Let's erase this. Right now, as you can see the chart, we are on the 12-hour. We've had an initial pump, which is the first leg up here, and then we've had a nice consolidation, a few periods of just slow movement, which is consolidation. The market's going to pump and it's going to cool off, and then this is where you get the consolidations, and then once it starts to move, you'll see it moves very quickly. So we've had the initial pump, and we've had the consolidation. Now what we're seeing is a retracement, which is a cool off. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna plug in without just plugging indicators, looking at a naked chart, you could predict that, for example, Bitcoin will get into this range here where it touches the trend line, which is this trend line here. Usually if it's a strong move to the upside and there's a lot of supports, you will see it maintains within the inside of the trend line. So most likely what it's going to do is going to come down to the trend line here, hits the trend line around the 19,000s, and it might spike down to, it might even spike down to the 18s. So we'll see how that plays. So you might see, there's two possible scenarios here, where one, let's erase this here. Okay, one scenario is you'll get it if price maintains a strong uptrend, then you will see here where it just touches the trend line and reverses, and the next pump we don't have the data yet to determine where the next price will move. We will have to wait for the completion of the retracement. So wherever the retracement stops, then we would plug the indicator, which is the Fibonacci extension, and I'll show you guys how to use that as well. So on the course, which is Teach 'em and Fish. So what we're gonna do is we'll start where price begin and move up here. No, this is the extension. I want the retracement here. Okay, so we'll get an idea of where price will most likely be at. Usually it's a 50% correction, so that would bring it around here, the $19,027. Not exactly, but rough estimate from the 19,800s to the low 19,000s. And this is usually the area where it hits, then it reverses up. So that's the second scenario, where it will spike down below the trend line, but it won't break the support because it's a nice strong move to the upside. And you can also correlate that with the 3-day chart. Always check the higher time frames to see where price is really going. So let's do this. I guess this is a little bit of the course in here. So you'll see it move up here to the 25,000 range very shortly, and then until you'll get the next retracement again, which will be another at least 50% correction. So short term, we are seeing a retracement, which should last a few days. Shouldn't last more than 2 days actually, because if we look at on a daily chart, each candles represent a day. We would say in about 2 more days, we should see we start moving back up to the upside, heading toward 25,000 range. And that's if there's no black swan event such as the USDT collapsing. If that doesn't happen, then we'll expect, which I don't believe it's going to happen until at least 30K range Bitcoin anyway. So just to keep that in mind. Long term, it's bullish, guys. It's the beginning of the bull run. If we look at but there might be a possible scenario where when the black swan do happen, which it will, this is where it's the possibility of you seeing below $10,000 of Bitcoin prices, which is good because we're gonna have the first pump. We've already had the first pump. Then we're gonna do the next pump, and then we can take profits and load back up before the next pump. So the key is to get a. That's why it's a good skill to have as far as learning the trade. So. See, let's zoom back into the charts here. Okay, this is it was a nice pump. The next pump will be bigger. So let's say if the possible of a healthy retracement, which is 50%. So what we'll do, we'll plug in the fib extension, and then we'll kind of get an idea of where the next stop of Bitcoin will be. So let's say if it did, okay, I'm using the wrong tool here, am I? Yeah, I'm using the right tool. Alright, so no, let's check this here. Yeah, let's do this. Okay, so we'll plug in the fib extension here. So let's say price does stop at the when it does stops, it gets into the 19,000, let's say 800s. Then the next move up will be 26,000. So this is what we're gonna look for, guys, on a long-term base. So Bitcoin's heading to 25,000, no, 26,000, 27,000 areas, and then you're gonna see a huge correction. That's when you might see the black swan with Tether, and then it just crashes right back down to these areas, which would be, yeah, it would be around these areas, around the 10k areas, below 10k even. So until the next time, guys, don't forget to join the Telegram of the Ghost Ledger, guys. This is something everyone in the crypto space will need, because no one likes their wallets being hacked. This also will prevent a lot of wallet hacking. So, you know, it's one of the best utilities to have in the crypto space, which is the crypto wallet, and it's a multi-chain wallet as well. So you can put any tokens in there, transfer any tokens in and out. So we could see a potential, I guess, hype with this project, because it's being launched at the beginning of the bull run. So could you imagine, let's say if you've paid attention to Doge was a meme coin, anything that have that much emotions behind it, it's going to pump. And this is what we've seen with cryptos at the beginning of the bull run. It starts to pump. So I believe, I mean, it's easy to create that, I guess, that hype. It will help it, because it will spread the word more rapidly, to let people know, hey, there's a beautiful wallet out there, you know, that, you know, you should be using since you're in the crypto space. So I believe just the words alone, this words will spread like wildfire, because if you're using something that great, you will likely mostly talked about it, and then others will use it, and the words just get spread. So I'll see you guys in the Telegram. The link's in the description below, as well as the website here. All the links is here, guys. Peace. Until the next time. The next video, I'll try to upload the lesson number 2 on the trading course. Peace.